Hello student of class 12th. Student, in this lecture we will take chapter number 10, vectorial algebra. Some terms of vector algebra we will discuss in this lecture. So this vector algebra, when we are talking about vector algebra, so we have to talk about quantities. So physical quantities we can divide in two types. One are scalar quantities and other is vector quantities. So student, what is a scalar quantity? So those quantities which have only magnitude and no direction. The quantities which have only magnitude, no direction, that is those are called scalars. So example of it is length, mass, time, distance, speed, area, volume, temperature, work, money, density, etc. Others may be there. So this is a scalar quantity. Now another quantities we have vector quantities. So those quantities which have magnitudes as well as direction are called vector quantities or vectors. So vectors is generally denoted by an arrow. This is like this. This is its initial point and this is its terminal point. This is its terminal point. And we can write it like vector AB. This is vector AB, and it can be denoted also like this, vector A, vector AB or vector A. You can write it like this. All of you, example of vector quantities: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, weight, momentum, etc. Many others may be there. So when we are talking about displacement, so it is in meter or centimeter because it is also a distance. So displacement is always a vector quantity because it should be in a particular direction. And acceleration when a body is moving in a particular direction in accelerating velocity, or its velocity is decreasing or increasing, so it will be in a particular direction. So it is a vector quantity also. So in this lecture we discuss about quantities, physical quantities, scalar quantities and vector quantities. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you very much.